Rainy season flowers can be quite vibrant and resilient, thriving in the wet conditions and adding color to often gloomy days. Here are a few flowers that do well during the rainy season. 1. Marigolds. Known for their vibrant orange and yellow hues, marigolds are not only hardy but also help deter pests, making them a great addition to any garden. Their ability to thrive in both sunny and rainy conditions ensures they continue to bloom even when the weather is less than ideal. 2. Begonias. With their lush foliage and colorful blooms, begonias add a tropical feel to your garden. They excel in shaded or partially shaded areas, and their resistance to rain makes them perfect for brightening up those overcast days. 3. Impatiens. These flowers are fantastic for adding a burst of color in shady spots. They thrive in moist conditions, and their variety of colors, from pinks and reds to purples and whites, can really enliven a rainy garden. 4. Coleus. While Coleus is renowned for its striking foliage in shades of red, green, and purple, some varieties also produce small, inconspicuous flowers. They flourish in the wet, humid conditions typical of rainy seasons, making them a versatile choice for vibrant garden accents. 5. Hibiscus. Hibiscus plants offer large, showy flowers in an array of colors, including red, pink, yellow, and white. They love the moisture and can handle the damp conditions of a rainy season, often flowering continuously throughout. 6. Balsam. Also known as Impatiens balsamina, this flower adds a cheerful touch with its bright pink, red, or purple blooms. It's well suited for moist soil and can add a lively splash of color to any garden bed. 7. Lobelia. With its trailing growth habit and small, bright flowers, lobelia is perfect for hanging baskets or container gardens. It thrives in cool, moist conditions and provides a cascading effect that's especially beautiful in rainy weather. 8. Canna lilies. Known for their bold and tropical appearance, canna lilies produce large, vibrant flowers in colors like red, orange, and yellow. They thrive in moist soil and can handle the heavy rains of the season, adding a dramatic flair to your garden. 9. Elephant ear, Ear Kazia. While technically not a flowering plant, elephant ear plants are renowned for their large, striking foliage that can add a lush, tropical look to your garden. They thrive in moist conditions and can handle the excess rain, making them a great complement to other flowering plants. 10. Sweet alyssum. This charming flower produces tiny, fragrant blooms in shades of white, pink, and purple. Sweet alyssum is well suited to moist conditions, and its delicate, cascading growth makes it ideal for filling in gaps in garden beds or hanging baskets during the rainy season. These flowers not only survive, but often thrive in the wet conditions of the rainy season, making them excellent choices for maintaining a vibrant and colorful garden throughout the year.